Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your JBL Pulse 4. And to do this we'll need to power on our device. Then hold the Bluetooth key and volume up key, that's this plus right here, for about 10 to 20 seconds until your device powers off. Now keep holding the buttons. Now let go. Hold the power key again for some time until you hear the sound on your JBL speaker. Now it's fully turned off. You can see it that this LED right here is totally out, and then power it back on. And the factory reset is successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.